With the normal chair that has heat, light, and massage, this will be your power supply that you will use. And it comes with a male end, and then you will turn the chair around, and it's always located on the back side of the arm. And when they come out, they do say power in and a green flag on it. So you'll plug it in to the back side right there, then you will take it to your wall and plug it in. Then you'll have your normal functions of the light, which will light up the ring and down on the floor, then massage, and then the heat.